Hey guys, we're going to be doing a paint job, an all-over paint job on this truck. Customer brought it in the other day and wanted a complete paint job. It's not really in that bad a shape. We've taken the mirrors off and all the little things that need to come off, emblems, and working on the molding on the side and the pinstripe and the fender moldings. And it's really not in bad shape, just some minor dings, clear coats peeling off on the top. We had a little bit of a rust, some rust coming up here from a previous repair. And we're going to replace the tailgate, lights. But it's in pretty good shape. Like I said, just some minor dings.
Aren't we replacing the grill?
Yeah, we're going to be replacing the emblems, the grill, all the striping, the four-wheel drive emblems or decals, the mirrors. We're getting new mirrors, new tailgate, new lights, new grill. But check out the inside of this thing. I mean, for what it is, it's an older truck. You usually don't see a lot of them, at least around here. Most of them's ragged out, but this one's in really good shape. They've taken real good care of it.
Is there any rust, really?
No, other than that small spot that was the previous repair that wasn't done right. And it's minor. It's just surface.
Let's look at the driver's side.
And up under the hood looks good. This guy takes real good care of this truck. Well, like I said, we've already started on it, but we haven't got real far. This is a 98 model. Or late 97. We got a little surface rust on this hood here, but nothing major.
7.3.
Yeah, 7.3 liter. Pretty clean under the hood. And new AC system, it looks like. He keeps new batteries in it and all. Pretty nice truck. We'll keep y'all updated on the process. Pretty soon we're going to roll it back into the shop. We're going to get all of our body work done and primer, and then but we'll keep y'all updated on the process on it.